Hi everyone, today I'm talking about making money with online apps. With the internet becoming a more integral part of our lives, there are a growing number of ways to make money online. Some of these methods include apps that make it easy to earn an extra buck or two. Whether it's through taking surveys, playing online games, or other ways, these apps can help you make a few extra dollars. So, let's take a closer look at the Make Money Online apps that can help you get some extra cash. Types of Make Money Online apps. There are a variety of Make Money Online apps that you can use to supplement your income. One of the most popular types is survey apps. With survey apps, you can earn money by answering simple questions from brands. You can usually choose which surveys to take, and they usually only take a few minutes to complete. Some of the more popular survey apps include Survey Junkie and Swagbucks. Another type of Make Money Online app is cashback or reward apps. These apps allow you to earn money when you make purchases or shop at certain stores. The cashback or rewards can range from a percentage of your total purchase or a fixed amount. Popular cashback or reward apps include Rakuten and Drop. An additional type of Make Money Online app is game apps. These apps allow you to play games and earn in-game currency. Some of the most prevalent game apps are trivia apps, where you can earn money by answering questions correctly. Popular game apps include Swagbucks Live and HQ Trivia. Tips for making money with Make Money Online apps. When it comes to making money with Make Money Online apps, there are a few simple tips to remember. First, be aware of the app's terms and conditions. Some apps may have restrictions on how much money you can make, as well as when you can cash out. Additionally, be mindful of the amount of time you're spending on the app. If you're spending too much time, it may not be worth the money you're earning. Another tip is to diversify your apps. You can find a variety of apps in the different Make Money Online app categories, so it's a good idea to use multiple apps to maximize your earning potential. Finally, watch out for